Hi everybody and welcome back. Today I'm going to address the problem that I have with my eaves troughs where they were sagging and causing a waterfall like leak. Alright, so this is the bracket I'm going to be using. It's a great piece of engineering, and I've used it in the past. And what I've done is I also cut out a piece of similar eaves troughs than what I have in my house, just to show you how this thing works. So there it is there. This will be the side that goes against the house, and this is the side that you guys would see. There's a bracket, and what it'll do is this will latch into here like so, and the other end will go in like that, and pushing like that, and then all you guys will have to do is tighten that. That's a 1/4 inch. Just tighten it. I'll push that guy in there, and we'll tighten up your eaves. Alright, we'll climb the ladder and install 2 of these. Now, right beside my ladder, the piece of wood that's there, that is just pushing up the eaves troughs. So temporarily the water flows to that side where my downspout is. I just installed one of those brackets. I'm gonna remove the brace. I'm gonna check to see if the eaves drop. But how I'm gonna do that is I'm gonna mark it. With just one bracket, you can see the other one's still on top. I didn't use two, I just used one. It's perfect, it hasn't moved. And when this thing is all done, I'll do a test. I'll pour some water down. I also don't want the system to go the other way, because that'll cause a problem as well. And then if everything is okay, I'll add a second bracket. Okay guys, now here's the other test I'm going to do. I'm going to turn on the water and run some water through the eaves and make sure that proper flow, proper drainage on the other side of the house. I'm gonna take you guys up here. Check out that flow. What I'm gonna do is take that hose off. I'm gonna pour water here. So that's how these are gonna look. Now what I'm looking for is watch which way the water flows. And you're going to see some dry leaves coming down. That'll give you an indication of which way the water is flowing or if it's staying stagnant. Alright, so it is flowing a little bit the opposite way. So I'm going to boost up the very corner right there. Let's see if I can turn it off so you guys can have a better view. You can see the flow. It's going towards my drain, which is at the other end of my house where the ladder is. And that's what you guys want. You guys want the flow to go towards there. Hopefully you guys learned something from this, and if you have any questions, please don't forget to let me know. Thanks very much.